Welcome back, my friends. There have been ongoing developments in the cryptocurrency market. So I am updating you more often on this subject because it is a rapidly changing situation. If you have been following this channel or keeping up with crypto news, you probably already know that Binance has now abandoned its deal to bail out FTX. As a result, FTX declared bankruptcy. Just to bring everyone up to speed on FTX, FTX has been one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges since its founding in 2017. It actually has its own cryptocurrency token called FTX token, or FTT for short. But the FTX exchange would enable trading in all or most cryptocurrencies. Well, FTX encountered a liquidity crisis within the past couple of weeks. A liquidity crisis occurs when too many cryptocurrency holders wanted to draw out their holdings all at once. It is the cryptocurrency equivalent of a run on a bank. So, FTX sought a bailout and almost had one in rival cryptocurrency exchange Binance. But, after looking into more of the financial details of FTX, Binance backed out of the deal to buy FTX. Those were the events that led up to the bankruptcy filing by FTX. FTX founder, Sam Bankman-Fried, has stepped down as FTX CEO and may even have fled the country. This sent shockwaves through the market because FTX may not survive. Today, we hear of news that Multicoin Capital, one of the top crypto venture firms, issued a stark warning about cryptocurrencies. Multicoin warned investors in a letter that the collapse of FTX collapse will lead to additional failures. Because FTX has declared bankruptcy, holders of FTX stock have marked their holdings down to zero. Because of its write-down of assets on FTX and the broader drop in crypto, Multicoin said its net performance is down 55% this month. And, actually, nobody really has a complete list of people or organizations that are holding FTX stock or FTT cryptocurrency. Some holders have revealed themselves or are already known. For example, NFL quarterback Tom Brady and his ex-wife Gisele Bündchen hold FTX stock. So, apparently, does former NBA star Shaquille O'Neal. And current NBA star Steph Curry. And, now we hear of some other cryptocurrency companies that are holding FTX. Nestcoin, for example. And they appear to be on the brink of bankruptcy. And, today, we are hearing that cryptocurrency investment fund Multicoin holds some shares in FTX. The crash in cryptocurrency prices shows no signs of slowing. But, where will it stop? What is the real value of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies? What does this mean for the US economy? And, what does this mean for the future of the United States? But, before we get into all of that, please hit the like button and leave us a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified of upcoming videos when they are released. Crypto venture firm Multicoin Capital sent a huge warning shot across the bow of investors in a letter on Thursday. Multicoin warned that the collapse and bankruptcy of FTX and the price declines across the industry has sank the value of its fund by 55% this month. Multicoin is an investment fund that holds the shares of a number of cryptocurrency companies and some cryptocurrency tokens in an investment fund. Many trading firms will be wiped out and shut down, the Multicoin letter said. The market is poised to get worse before it rebounds, said Multicoin in the letter. Although Multicoin said might be a chance to recover some of its funds from FTX. But that will not happen anytime soon because those assets are now wrapped up in bankruptcy court. Instead, Multicoin said that it will mark its FTX holdings down to zero. And, friends, that is a stunning reversal for Multicoin. Earlier this past summer, Multicoin announced the creation of a $430 million fund. The new fund was its third fund and largest ever. We put entirely too much trust in our relationship with FTX, Multicoin managing partners Kyle Samani. We had too many assets on FTX, Samani continued. Last week, Multicoin said that it was able to retrieve about 1/4 of its assets from FTX. But there is still a considerable amount of the Multicoin's money still stranded in FTX. For Multicoin, that amount represents 15.6% of the fund's assets. Multicoin has been trading cryptocurrency on 3 exchanges, FTX, Coinbase and Binance. Now, 100% of its assets outside of the capital stuck on FTX is on Coinbase or in self-custody wallets, Multicoin said. At present, the fund has no assets exposed to any other counterparties, Multicoin said. In the future, we anticipate some diversification of custodial exposure, continued Multicoin. We expect that Coinbase will be our primary custodian, Multicoin added. And we will resume trading with other counterparties as we continue to assess the present market fallout, Multicoin also added. Interestingly, Multicoin noted that it does not expect the crypto market to turn positive anytime soon. There are many cryptocurrency collapses ahead. It looks like the sudden failure of FTX and its sister hedge fund Alameda Research are causing a domino effect of failures. FTX and Alameda Research were both owned by Sam Bankman-Fried. Both FTX and Alameda Research entered bankruptcy proceedings on Friday. We expect to see contagion fallout from FTX and Alameda over the next few weeks, the Multicoin letter said. Many trading firms will be wiped out and shut down, the letter continued. This will put pressure on liquidity and volume throughout the crypto ecosystem, said Multicoin in the letter. We have seen several announcements already on this front, but expect to see more, Multicoin also said in the letter. Many other companies that have assets tied to FTX are now seeking to raise funds on an emergency basis. Actually, we are looking to buy dislocated assets at attractive valuations, Multicoin added. Multicoin was also hurt by the failure of FTX because of its huge holdings of the Solana token. FTX founder and owner Sam Bankman-Fried was a big promoter of the Solana token. Alameda Research was a major holder of the Solana token coins. The bankruptcies of FTX and Alameda Research have led to a 64% fall in the value of the Solana token. Multicoin claims to be holding onto its position in Solana and still believes in Solana. According to Multicoin, Solana has the most vibrant developer community in the cryptocurrency ecosphere. Their crypto market has survived a number of disasters in the last few years. Based on our experience in 2018 and 2020, we learned that it's not prudent to sell an asset during a short-lived crisis if the core thesis is not impaired, Multicoin said. Multicoin concluded their letter to investors by drawing a few parallels. The 2008 failure of Lehman Brothers did not kill investment banking. The fraud at Enron did not destroy energy companies. FTX won't be the end of the crypto industry, said Multicoin. As the leverage gets cleared out of the system, we expect to see green shoots next year, Multicoin said in the letter. We know that the builders in this industry and in our portfolio are some of the most dedicated people and they will not give up. And neither will we, Multicoin also noted. But, as I am sure you know by now, not everyone believes in the future of cryptocurrency. Most notably, New York University professor Nouriel Roubini. Crypto and some of its major players as an ecosystem that is totally corrupt, said economist Nouriel Roubini. I can't believe that CZ and Binance have a license to operate in the UAE, said Roubini. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao is banned in the United Kingdom. He is under investigation by U.S. Justice Department for money laundering, said Roubini. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao is a walking time bomb, Roubini told an audience. In 2020, U.S. federal prosecutors asked Binance for internal records about its anti-money laundering checks. Warren Buffett, CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, has repeatedly said that cryptocurrencies are worthless and have no intrinsic value. Buffett says that cryptocurrencies have no value in the economy or to society. He clearly thinks that the current crypto winter is a prelude to the eventual death of cryptocurrencies. But, what do you think? Please hit the like button and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified of upcoming videos when they are released. Please share this video on social media. Thank you for watching.